Okay guys, so right in this video I'm gonna take you through the process on how to claim your Memefi coins straight to your OKX wallet. Okay, so first of all guys, make sure you have a VPN on. Okay, so right here you can see I am using the Ghost VPN and I'm connected to Germany. Okay, so make sure your VPN is on already. So that should be your very first step here, and once you are done turning on your VPN, you can go back to the Memefi mini app right here, then come over to the airdrop menu right here, and this is where you will find yourself guys. You can see here we are to claim to OKX Web3 wallet. Okay, so you click on here to open the menu right here, and here they say check details once again before claim. Your allocation will be claimed to the following wallet address. Okay, so you can see the address beneath it, so you should be sure that is your wallet address before you go ahead and claim this. Okay, so you can see right here this is my total balance, and I'm gonna be charged 225 Memefi, okay, as a gas fee. So this is what I'm gonna receive at the end of the day. All right, so to do that, click on confirm. So let's see this. Don't forget you need at least 0.02 SWI there on your OKX. Okay, so that is something you should know very well. After clicking that, you can see transactions are loading. Please wait. So you can see if you take a look at this, my Memefi balance has been taken away, and success, the airdrop is on its way to your connected wallet. Meanwhile guys, please don't forget, I just choose to make this video very short. So the best thing you can do to support me right here is subscribing to this channel. Okay, so subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my updates like this. Okay,